The world we know is at a tipping point. The Amazon, the lung of the earth, is burning. Disease and obesity rates are through the roof, and billions of animals are suffering globally, all because of our demand for more and cheaper meat and dairy products. The solution seems simple: go vegan and you optimize your health and cause less harm to the environment and the animals. Sounds simple, right? But going vegan can actually be pretty challenging. You don't know where to start, you're afraid to give up your favorite food, and you think that cooking will be complicated and take up a lot of your time. Just do a quick Google search on how to cook vegan and you get more than 274 million results. Yes, millions. It can feel like information overload, and especially in our busy schedules, we don't want to spend all this time going through all this stuff. What if there was an easier way to learn? A faster way, a right way? Hi, I'm Lucas.
And I'm Samuel.
We're vegan twins from Germany, and like most of you, we love good food.
When we became vegan over 2 years ago, we had to learn a completely new way of living, thinking and cooking.
We spent hours going through blogs, YouTube videos and books, but we still had so many questions. Why wasn't there a simple way to learn all about vegan cooking without spending hours on research?
And that's why we created Veecoco.
Veecoco is an online vegan cooking school where we partner with experienced chefs from all over the world to bring you the best vegan online cooking courses.
Veecoco was created with a single goal in mind: to give you the ultimate resource where you can learn everything you need to know about vegan cooking without wasting your precious time, even if you never cooked before.
And not only that, we want you to get the most authentic experience possible.
You will learn how to roll sushi the right way from a real Japanese chef in Tokyo, and you will learn how to make classic pasta and pizza recipes from Italian chefs, and you will learn how to make Swiss chocolate from a Swiss chocolate manufacturer in Zurich.
We already filmed 7 courses in Asia and are now continuing here in Europe to bring you vegan Italian, vegan Swiss chocolate making, vegan German, traditional recipes and more. You enroll in single courses or you join the Veecoco monthly membership, with which you get access to all our online cooking courses. You simply pick the course you like and start learning today, all in the comfort of your home.
Each course comes with a recipe book, quizzes to test your progress, and a certificate after you've completed all course lessons. In no time, you will be the star at every dinner party and cook amazing vegan food that your friends and family will love.
We want you to become a part of the Veecoco community. Our goal is to keep making courses you love, and that's why we need your support.
By supporting us on Kickstarter, you will get some amazing deals on our courses and the membership.
So let's make food that's not only delicious, but it actually benefits your health, saves the environment, and helps millions of animals.
Click the green button right here and let's veganize the world of food together.
Thank you.